In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stops before requesting an Uber ride. This process is straightforward, but by following along with this tutorial, you'll become proficient in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you have the Uber app open on your smartphone. It's generally a good idea to have the latest version of the app, so if you haven't updated it recently, it might be worth doing that before we get started. Now, once you have the app open, look towards the top of your screen. You'll see a box that says Where to. This is where you typically enter your destination when requesting a ride. Go ahead and tap on that box. Once you've done that, you'll notice a small plus icon next to it. This is the tool we'll use to add additional stops to your route. So, tap the plus icon. By doing this, you're essentially telling the Uber app that you want to make more than one stop during your journey. After tapping the icon, the app will prompt you to enter the address for your next stop. Go ahead and type in the address or the name of the place you're aiming to visit. Sometimes the app might predict the location you want, especially if it's a well-known spot or a place you've been before. This can save you some typing time. Once you've got the right location, look for the Done button, which you'll need to tap to confirm your choice. Now you have the flexibility to add more stops if necessary. If your itinerary calls for multiple stops, simply repeat the process we just went through. Tap the plus icon again, enter the address for the next stop, and tap Done. You can add up to 2 additional stops along your route, making it convenient for errands or picking up friends. Having the planned route set up before the ride ensures that your driver knows exactly where you need to go, which makes things smoother for everyone involved. Once you've added all desired stops, you're ready to book your ride. At this stage, you might want to double-check your entries to ensure everything is correct. This way, there won't be any surprises along the way. With these steps complete, continue booking your ride as usual. Confirm your pickup point, choose your ride type, and request the ride. And there you have it. You now know how to seamlessly add stops to your Uber ride before booking it. This feature is particularly useful for making your journey more efficient and customized to your needs. The beauty of this process lies in its simplicity and the convenience of planning in advance. So next time you're out and about and need to make a few stops, remember these steps and enjoy the ride. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.